Hey there, welcome to Waterstone Fitness. My name's Jake, and today we are going to be doing a workout to help you get your first push-up. This is to help you get a full range of motion, so it's perfect for people who are currently doing push-ups on their knees, who are doing elevated push-ups and want to take it to the floor, or any other push-up variation. We're going to follow a pyramid-style routine, so we're going to start off easy, it's going to get harder, and then it's going to get easier again. So we're going to go up and then down. You just have to follow along with me. The only piece of equipment you're going to need for this is some sort of incline surface. If you don't have that, you can always go on your knees whenever we do that, but otherwise, let's get into the workout. All right, let's start off by just interlocking the fingers and rolling the wrists in a figure 8 pattern to warm them up. Make big circles, actively push your wrists around. 3, 2, 1, and now switch directions, going the other way. Draw a figure 8 with your knuckles. 3, 2, 1. Okay, now we're going to do a plank for 30 seconds. So with this, we want to make sure that we're maintaining our proper form cues. We have the hands turned out slightly, squeezing the glutes, the core, depressing the shoulders, protracting them by pushing the ground away. Holding this, we're going to be here for a total of 25 seconds. Breathe in and out. Relax, keep the core tense as you breathe. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. So we have a minute rest. During the rest breaks, you can massage yourself. You can go ahead and massage your triceps, your chest, your anterior delts. You also can shake things out and do some dynamic stretching. You don't want to do any static stretching, though. It's going to decrease your performance. I'm just going to shut up and let you enjoy the music. All right, if you don't have it set up already, start getting your box set up. We're going to be going in 15 seconds for incline push-ups. I got mine set up right here. We're going to be going in 5, 4, doing between 5 to 8 reps, as many as you can. Should be a difficult challenge. 3, 2, 1. You have 30 seconds to get between 5 and 8 reps. Down, up, down, up. Make sure you're retracting your shoulders at the bottom. Down, up. Forearms stay vertical. Down, up. Hands end up by your chest. Down, up, down, up. 10 seconds left. Down, up, down, up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go ahead and rest. Again, you can massage yourself, shake your arms out. You can also decompress your wrists if your wrists are sore by taking the backs of the hands, placing them together. Deep breaths. All right, get your boxes out of the way. Next is going to be low plank. It looks like this. We're going to get into a push-up, move down to the bottom, hold our chest just a few inches off the ground. Make sure our core is tense. We're holding here. We're going to go in 10 seconds. Get ready to go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Holding this for 20 seconds. Down at the bottom. Doing great so far. 5 seconds in. Just a few seconds left. 10 seconds, halfway done. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop to your knees, relax, push back up. And we have 1 minute of rest. You can decompress your wrists if your wrists are sore. Breathe in and out. Shake your arms out, whatever you need to do. If you can rest for if you have the time, please rest for longer. You'll get better results over time. There was a 2016 study that showed that 3-minute rest breaks are significantly better than 1-minute rest breaks like what we're doing. However, 1-minute rest breaks still build more strength and endurance, so this is the minimum amount of time I want you to rest for. But if you can pause the video, rest for longer until you feel fresh, then please do so. We're gonna go in 20 seconds for eccentric push-ups. So it's going to look like this. We start at the top, full position, and we get to go down 3, 2, 1. Drop to the knees, push back up. We're going to do, again, between 5 to 8 repetitions. We're going in 3, 2, 1. Down, 3, 2, 1. Up, down, 3, 2, 1. Up, down, 3, 2, 1. Up, that's 3, down, 3, 2, 1. 4, down, 3, 2, 1. That's 5, down, 3, 2, 1. That's 6, down, 3, 2, 1. 7, and last one, down, 3, 2, 1. That's 8. All right, that right there is the peak of our sets. We're going to do one more of those and then go in reverse order. Essentially, we're going to reverse what we just did and do that again. So the eccentric push-ups, the low plank hold, the incline push-ups, and then the top plank hold. We have a minute rest in between that. And again, massage yourself, deep breaths in and out. Some dynamic stretching, whatever it is that you need to do. Oh, the break's almost over. We got one more of these sets, one more incline push-up set. Again, between 5 to 8 repetitions here. If you can't reach 8 repetitions, not a problem. It's something to work up to over time. You have to step at 5. That's great. You're here working, pushing yourself hard. If you drop down quicker, or you need to skip a few reps, that's fine. It's up pushing yourself and doing your best. You can forget the rest. We're gonna go 3, 2, 1, down, eccentric push-ups, 3, 2, 1. On your knees, push up, that's 1. Down, 3, 2, 1. Up, 2, down, 3, 2, 1. Up, that's 3, down, 3, 2, 1. That's 4, down, 3, 2, 1. 5, down, 3, 2, 1. 6, down, 3, 2, 1. That's 7, down, 3, 2, 1, and 8. All right, we have a minute rest, and then we're going to move on to low plank. For right now, decompress the wrists, hang out, breathe, pause the video if you got the time. It's okay, you're resting. You want to feel fresh because you want to bring the maximum amount of intensity you can to those sets. That's going to get you the best results. Deep breaths. 30 seconds left in the break. Okay, we're gonna do low plank in 10 seconds. Get ready, get down, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push up and hold your chest just an inch off the ground. We're gonna be here for a total of 20 seconds. 5 seconds are gone. 15, 14, 13, keep your butt squeezed. 10, 9, 8, 7, core engaged. 6, 5, 4, keep that chest above the ground. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Okay, massage yourself, you have another minute rest. It's about maximum intensity and then maximum rest. You want to let your muscles completely relax. Deep breath in and out. We have 30 seconds before we get into elevated push-ups. Again, we're going to be doing between 5 and 8 reps. So get your box set up or wherever you're doing. If you need to do them against a wall or a table, head over there now. We're going to get going in 20 seconds. I'm going to count out the 8 reps, but if you can only do 5, not a problem. Get yourself set up. We're going to go in 10 seconds. So good starting position, engage the core. Depress the shoulders, protract. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5 to 8 repetitions, incline push-ups. Down, up, 1, down, up, 2, down, up, 3, down, up, 4, down, up, 5, down, up, 6, down, up, 7, down, up, 8. You have 10 seconds left. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There you go. So we have another minute rest. Give you a little bit more time there to get it done in case you went slower than me. It's normal to be fatigued right here. We have one more set, and then we're just going to decompress. This is the last set of the workout. We're going to do plank for 30 seconds, and we're going to start in 40 seconds. So right now, it's just a chance to breathe in and out. Just close your eyes, breathe. Pause the video if you need to. Doing this workout is going to help you get that full range push-up. This right here is the work that's required to get you there. This is the stimulus that you need to do. These push-ups are going to be training the exact same muscle patterns. We want to make sure we're maintaining that proper form. But once you're there and you need to build the strength, this is how you do it. We're going to do our last set, plank for 30 seconds. Getting set up, we're going to go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 30 seconds of plank. Make sure that you're keeping this core engaged, butt squeezed, driving through the heels, protracting the shoulders, depressing them. That's 10 seconds gone, 20 seconds left. See, just me talking is taking up the time. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, push the ground away. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. We're done with the work for right now. We've got a minute, 30 seconds just to decompress the wrists, the chest, and the shoulders. So first we want us to do, backs of the hands together, pull up. The wrists took a lot of weight today. We're stretched out quite a bit. So decompressing them like this feels amazing. Deep breath in and out. Now we're going to work on their active flexibility, so place the palms together and push them down, keeping the palms together. Breathe in and out. Okay, next what we're going to do is a W stretch. So we're going to take the hands out like we're in a push-up, but we're going to pull our hands back, actively stretching our chest. We're making W's with the hands. Hold this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then take your hands, place them behind your body, fold down, bring your forehead to the ground for a child's pose. 20 seconds, deep breaths. Just let your shoulders completely decompress. This right here is the workout that you need to get a full range push-up. If you're doing push-ups on your knees right now and want that first full repetition, follow along with this. Repeat it up to 3 times per week. You can integrate it into any other workout routine that you're doing, anytime that you're training chest, shoulders, or triceps. Now, tuck the neck in slowly, roll the vertebrae up. 2, 1. Give yourself a little round of applause because you just completed your first push-up workout. I'm Jake. Thanks for watching. This is Waterstone Fitness, and if you like this video, then go ahead and click subscribe. I release daily follow-along workout videos, and you can get those delivered to your email inbox by signing up at waterstonefitness.com. As always, thanks for getting better.